Hello everyone, this is Sarvana from POS Bytes, and today we are going to see the demo of our POS application. So once you download the app or from your Play Store and Apple Store, you can see the application with all the options: billing, waiter app, owner app, delivery app, KDS, kiosk, and also the reservation module. So we will see a demo of our POS application for your cashier, and how simple, how easy, how quick you can do the checkout and do the billing as well. So once I click into the billing, so your cashier will be able to clock in based on his passcode. So you have multiple cashiers, you can give the passcodes to them, the user rights and permissions. So once he clocks in, he will be entering the opening cash, so which brings in to the for opening up the shift. So once you do the start shift, the shift starts, and you can see here it will come directly into the cell tab, where you can see on the left hand side you can see the categories, right hand side you can see the items, and basically you have all the options over here, from dashboard, cell orders, table orders, drive through orders, call orders, advance orders, sales, and also the cash summary. Like you can also do the expenses, the customer data, and then you have the settings over here where you can do the configurations and settings for the POS. So pretty much our POS works completely offline, and also it works on Android, Windows, iPad. So pretty much like you can put it into any of these devices, and also into your mobile devices, tablets and desktops. It's basically a device agnostic solution to start with. And you can see here the left hand side categories, right hand side items. You have all the different transaction or the option types for the F&B and the in the restaurants, QSR and cloud kitchens. So let's see a quick QSR order. And as you know, QSR is more like a KFC or a McDonald's. So I'm going to place the order and make the payment immediately as well. So typically I'm going to select the item, so in case there is variance you will see the options, otherwise you will never see this popping up window. So it goes directly into the cart, and in case you can add the customer details, in case you want to give a discount, you can always do the discount. You can create the discounts, you can give the discounts over here. Then I just need to select the payment method. I'm going to select UPI over here, and then just quick confirm, like yes, boom, the order is completed. See how quick, how easy it is, like with simple clicks, just 2 clicks you can complete a sale. And then with the takeaway you can also do the same like QSR, except for the fact like it will be showing in the kitchen as takeaway order. So I'm just going to show you a takeaway order, and then I'm going to add this time I'm going to do it through a card payment. So I'm going to just click the card payment, and I'm going to confirm, and it is done. Boom. Basically we have the dine-in, like you can see here, like the tables, and you can select a table and you can proceed to the ordering. Like in case you have waiters, it will be listing over here. This is not mandatory, so you can skip this as well. So you can add the items. So this time I will go for a South Indian option. So you have the dosas, then send to the kitchens. So you can go to the table, you can view the orders, you can see the table order is running, and you can see the timer as well. So once it is, you can see it is also occupied. It shows the color change as red, and you can see all the options over here where you can split, move, merge a table order, and also if you want to edit or you want to add more items to this order, you can always do this. And in case once you're done, you want to do a checkout, you can want to make the payment. This time we will do a cash payment, so we'll click on the cash. So right now we have to pay 300, so we will do 200. So it will show the return, exactly how much has to be returned to the customer. Right, so simple, easy as it can get. So with just few clicks you are able to do a dine-in order, closing the dine-in order from the POS. And we have also a quick dashboard for your cashier, so they can see what exactly the sales is all about in that specific shift. And also if they want to download it, they want to print the shift summary, anytime they can do this. So once this can be also disabled from your from the user permission, so the cashier may not have access to this once you disable this. And then moving on to the cash, so this is where you can do the cash summary. You can want to clock out, you want to pay to the vendors, you can do the payment. And if you want to do refund, you can go to the sales. You'll see all the sales over here that we did today. Then if you want to do a refund, you can do a refund, item wise refund or order wise refund, and you can select it either as a void or a waste, and it will be done. Yes. And here we have a quick settings where everything is like our solution is cloud based, as you know, like, and it works offline as well. So basically you can either you want to sync all the things from the back end anytime, or automatically it syncs all the transaction to the cloud as well. Then we have all the printers over here, so you can configure the receipt printer, the KVT printers over here in case you want to do the receipt printing as well. Right, so pretty much we have covered with our demo today, and like with all the features that we have. And now we are going to close the shift, like we are at the end of the day, we're going to close the shift. We're going to select close shift, and this will be the closing amount. Like if I want to do a blind closure, we can also enable option to the blind closure where cashier can just put the amount that there's in the cash box. So I'm going to click the cash, and once I'm going to put the clock out code. So we have done a complete quick demo of our POS solution, and happy to hear your comments and feedbacks, and let us know. Looking forward to hearing back from you. Thank you so much for your time, and let's stay connected. And if you have any queries, always feel to reach back. We are happy to do a detailed demo as well. Thank you again, and have a nice day.